Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to bring another LED light. This is an outdoor LED light. There's two LED lights, of course. This is 4,000 lumens on it, and it works up to 40 feet of detecting somebody for the sensor. Like it says, outdoor, and there's a little picture of it with a little garage setting it up. 3-year warranty on it. This was a cheap product. It was about $20, I believe. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what you get when you purchase them like this. Okay, I want to set this up. So information, screws, and that's pretty much what you get when you purchase it like this. Of course, they do sometimes come included with an actual guide, but in this guide, there's no guidance to screw the screws in there. So you're pretty much on your own on that part. But let's go ahead and take a look at the actual product, and let's put it to a test. 4,000 lumens on this sucker. And of course, these move independently, left and right, up and down, left and right. Very hard to do, but you can move them separately like a bird, pretty much, and direct them to where you want to go. Now, in the mount itself, let's go ahead and open it up. Here it is. So you just pull up, and we're gonna open it up so we can see what kind of batteries you really require, or if I would suggest maybe getting a rechargeable batteries, So we unscrew this part right here. This is kind of to protect the batteries itself too. But after a while, if moisture gets in here, the batteries are dead. I would recommend you maybe getting good batteries that last a long time. 40 feet, 4,000 lumens on this. Sensors covered too also. So I like that it says it's 40 feet. So we're gonna put it to a test, see if it is. But Type C batteries, if you guys can see them, these are like the heavy duty batteries. So it might last you a couple months here. Screwing it in, it's not that bad. They do give you two little areas to screw it in here. It tells you this is forward, how to open it up, how to lock it in. This one way opening, the other way is locking. So very simple, and they include the two screws, of course. So let's go ahead and put it to a test and see how well it works and how it looks. Of course, they have different colors. They make them in white and black, and I believe there's a gray version, but it might be a different model on it. But I like that these are independent, and there's a bunch of setup of LED lights. I forgot one thing too, also important thing: off and on button here. Off and on, simple. And if you don't want to use it, or if it's constantly needed to be replace a battery because your dog keeps coming in, you could turn it off temporarily and then turn it back on later on. Let's go ahead and marry this, and this is pretty much what you do. You find the tip here, which is the lip right here. You kind of mount it sideways a little bit, and you make contact with the two end, and all you have to do is twist it. You twist it one way and it locks in. A little simple twist. It doesn't take that long to push in, push back out, and just twist it to the right and it locks in. To the left is to unlock it.